This whole trip just changed. Starting to rain. Yeah! Oh, you're not. You see that? Yeah. So I'm out here with Julian. We're about to do Mount Tam. There was way too much rain at Salt Point, so I had a little change of plans. But you're not a real hiker unless you got Cliff Bar, right? So had to get a couple of Cliff Bars, start the journey. Parking's a little slim, so I'm gonna have to try to parallel park, but I don't know how to parallel park. If you watch the San Francisco monolith video, you probably know this. Do you know how to parallel park?
Oh yeah.
Okay, if I can't do it.
Parallel park in San Francisco all the time.
Right, I might have to have you do it. Okay. I did it. I parallel parked. I had a lot of space to work with. I guess I had to be able to do it right. Look at his camera holder. Look how pro that looks. So go check out his Instagram after this. I'll leave it in the description so you can see what pictures he gets out here. And that's how the journey begins. Julian hiked just in January alone over 200 miles so far. So he's just adding more mileage right now. No one out here. One of the perks about coming out here Monday morning is literally like, we've seen 2 people so far, I think. We found a waterfall. I'm tired of turning on the camera over and over again. Everywhere I look is a view. I just look over. Oh, there's another amazing view. You can see the Richmond Bridge out there somewhere. Probably not pointing at it right.
Turn the camera around, look at. That's Mount Tam.
Oh, never mind. We still got a ways to go. So we still got ways to go, and I think we're gonna be up in the fog. We're at a bit of a crossroads, literal crossroads. Do we want to hike how many miles?
10 miles.
10 miles total or 14 miles total? Catch 10 miles, it's gonna be really steep. 14 miles you said? 15?
14.
14 miles, it's gonna be a little bit more flat. What should we do?
10 miles.
We'll do 10 miles. We're gonna suffer the steepness. Whew. Yeah, I don't know if we should take this way back. It's gonna be hard on the way back. Try to take a shortcut, horrible idea. I think I found an ammo box. We tried to take a shortcut. I'm not gonna open it. Are you gonna open it?
No.
Well, yeah, we're not gonna open it. No, there's a path here, but it looks like it hasn't been used for years. Got it! Woo! To be honest with you, it's not that I'm tired, it's I'm afraid of mountain lions. Our view's gone. It's windy. We're in the clouds. I think it's about to rain. We're still not to the top. This whole trip just changed. It's starting to rain.
Oh, it is.
It's so windy out here.
Woo! Oh man!
No! This is insane!
Oh, it's so cold!
Yeah! Oh no! I was naive enough to stand on here. I just got blown back. This is crazy. I love it. So much wind, so much mist. He's gonna have to rain cover his gear. Just my luck. I feel like Charlie Brown. Go! We made it to the top. Here's the tower. Here we are. Well, this looks like a, look at the tower looks like a historic site. Has one of those old doors. Oh, here we go.
Gardner Lookout.
Gardner Lookout. Whew. 1937. Looks like Alcatraz or something.
Right.
So this is the top?
Yeah, this is the top.
And unfortunately, we can't see anything because we're winded and fogged out. But Julian has a spot that we could go to where it looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right.
We made it out here. You can't see anything because of the fog starting to spring. What the? This guy's eating a pizza. Where'd you get a pizza from? What the? I'm out here packing Cliff Bars so I could be like a real hiker, and this guy pulls a pizza out of his bag. If you enjoy the video, like, subscribe, leave a comment, tell all your friends about it. Subscribe. See you next time. Go.